Well, here we are. Good morning. It's a winter wonderland in the northern Sierra. And we had a big old storm that came through this last week, still coming. And I'm gonna go get my camera trap out of the snowdrift. Set it up 2 weeks ago, and I went back in 1 week and got nothing. Total strikeout. So I'm not expecting much. Kind of picked a dead trail, it looks like. So I might move it closer to home because it's kind of a pain to get up there. I don't know if you can see the hill it's up, but it is up the mountain. So kind of hoping to get something, but expecting very little. But want to get it all home, get it charged up, and put it somewhere closer to my property where I can check it more regularly and babysit it through the winter. So anyway, a little snowy walk this morning. A lot of times the snow is awesome for tracking wildlife. You can really tell what trails they're using and kind of where they've, changed their paths of travel with a little bit of snowfall. But we just got pounded with snowfall, like too much at once to really have good tracking conditions. We'll see though if we can get some idea. This is a tree that just fell in this storm. Had a lot of that with the fires and all this heavy wet snow all at once. There's trees coming down all over. We've had power going out and all that. Hopefully we get most of that out of the way with this first good dump. But like I was saying, I don't know if we're gonna find any well-established trails yet, because we went from no snow to getting hammered. So the animals that would use the trails may still be curled up in a ball somewhere waiting for the storm to pass, We're getting up to where snowshoes might be an advantage. I think a lot of people put snowshoes on way too early. You can move quicker, in a foot of snow without them. But there comes a point when it's easier with snowshoes, and we're almost at that point. All right, we're coming up on the camera. Whew. This was the last push of that hill. Everything looks to be good. I haven't tripped it yet. The triggers on that tree, there's a flash above it. There's a flash right here, and a flash there. And that's the camera. Looks like my Starbucks cup visor is working awesome. So I'm gonna walk straight up to the trigger and see if we get that flash to go off. Know if it's still working. No big tracks or anything. Yeah, I just got flashed. So still operational. I don't know if you can always see the flashes on on the video, but that's because the video frame rate is only so fast, and the flashes fire so quickly that they don't always pick up on the video, but I assure you they're flashing. So see what's on there. No tracks, nothing real good here. Anything we got came through before the storm. So stoked on the visor performance though. Look at that, holding up some serious snowfall here. Get this guy home to the warm garage. Oh, this fabric's all frozen. All right, I'm gonna have to put this camera down, break it out here. Okay, all right. Got it all pried off. I have not peeked yet, so you're right here with me. These frozen latches. Everybody's still home in there. All right, I'm gonna take a glove off. Okay, see if we still got battery. Yeah, whole bunch of shots of me walking up here, falling down, keep going backwards. Me talking to you about flashes. And then we are before the storm. There was a cow from the ranch, which is just down the hill. An escapee cow right there. And backing up further, that's me setting the camera up. And there's me today. So big fail of a location. Live and learn, and as winter goes on, we'll look for a trail with some traffic, yeah, and it'll be easier to figure out as the snow kind of sets in and we get some good tracks. So now to get this stuff out of here, we'll get home and get a cup of coffee.